What's going on? Good morning. So we stayed outside Planet Fitness today. We're gonna get these 3 miles in. It's still 4:43 here in Colorado. My dispatcher will probably get in contact with me in maybe like around 7-8 to see where we're going. But meanwhile, let's focus on getting these 3 miles, a little workout in. So, thank God we accomplished the gym today. Planet Fitness is a win. Still no sign of my dispatch of a trip. By now, she would have already messaged me, but I guess some areas, man, around the U.S., it's just hard. You just gotta be patient and pray that a load pops up all of a sudden, right? So we're here. We're gonna go to Walmart real quick, and then hopefully we can cook something real quick before we get a load. So it's actually a good sign that we haven't heard from my dispatch, so we're able to cook something real quick. I don't really take any supplements as of right now, since I'm really starting. What I do take is just like fiber gummies. I mean, I don't know if they work or not, but 3 once a day. And how many times a day? Take on a daily. No food or water necessary. 2 gummies daily. So it has 2 flavors. Red and red and purple. Just to take something. I have this, but I don't take it yet until probably like the 3rd, 4th week. So let's go to Walmart. So when I was getting on my truck to go to Walmart, I received a call. But my calls usually, like if a broker calls or someone else calls that I don't have that number saved, it'll automatically send them to voicemail, right? I have the no caller ID or block caller ID, so something like that, right? And I received a call, and it sent it to voice message, and then I receive a WhatsApp, and it was my dispatch. You're going to receive a call, right? So I called that number back. It was a gentleman. He said that I guess he found us a load going to an oil field area. So again, we're not going to be able to cook breakfast. I have to get ready to go to Denver, and then hopefully we're able to get this thing set up and go to wherever they're gonna send us. So let's go ahead and get ready for that. We literally just passed through the spot where we delivered the container yesterday. So yeah, we're going to Littleton, Colorado. We're gonna pick up something there, oil field like, and then go take it to Carlsbad, New Mexico. So I don't know, I haven't checked the distance between each point A to point B, but we'll get to that. I'm like 45 minutes away from pickup. We gotta pick up before 11 a.m. So we have plenty of time. We should be there like around 9, because it's about to be 8 over here in Colorado. So bumpy road. So we're almost there. Traffic is crazy right now. Yeah, traffic is crazy right now. So hopefully it'll get better. It's morning, so everyone's rushing everywhere. Work, doctor's appointment, work, food, breakfast, everything's going on right now. But so another day that I'm not able to that I'm not able to cook breakfast. Sometimes it's like that. Sometimes you're on the run. Arrived at Littleton, and they were waiting for us. So I think we're gonna take some plastic. That's at least what I see. Those plastics right there. So we're just waiting for them to come load us up, and then I'll show you guys how I strap and everything once we get loaded. We are all strapped up. These loads are awesome because they're light, they pay good. It's only 9 hours, 9-hour drive, so we should be able to get there today. And I checked, the ETAs are on 6 to 7 more or less with diesel stops and everything. So that's actually perfect because it's gonna give me relax, like I'm not too stressed. Sometimes, like whenever I have loads, like to drive 15, if it's like, for instance, 22 hours, you drive 11, 2 days, you can like plan your trips accordingly. Load it late, and then you have to get there at a certain time. It's just gonna shift all your schedule all over the place. So you see, I loaded up early right now. I'm gonna get there early. In a perfect world, this is awesome because you load it up early, you waste less gas because the load is light. It's not too tall. It is tall, but it's like narrow, so it's not gonna block too much air. So, and then the weight it's only like 3,200 pounds. So I'm super light. I'm just gonna stop once, probably twice to and still have plenty of fuel over there for tomorrow. So today's gonna be a perfect day, God willing. So see you on the road. exited Colorado and entered New Mexico. I don't know why, but always in New Mexico, when I pull over on the scale, they always tell me to go in and pay like a permit, I guess, to be able to transit through New Mexico. Let me know in the comments if you guys have the same problem, or not problem, but if you guys go through the same process, or if I could probably go or find out some other way that I'm able to, pay like an annual permit certificate or something. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I'm gonna get down and go ahead and pay that. So we're already out. We already paid the permit. It was like $25. I guess they charge you depending what area are you going. And right now I'm going to Carlsbad, New Mexico. So maybe if it would have been closer or further, it would have either increased or been lower. It all depends, I guess. But we're good. We got it, and back on the road. This is literally all I'm taking to Carlsbad. What's going on? We're here. We're gonna pump diesel real quick, and then we're at a TA. We're gonna pump diesel and get our 30-minute break as DOT regulations. What's up? We already fueled. We're good to go. I got some chips and Subway. I got a foot long 6-inch for now, 6-inch for later. I'm gonna get to it, and I'll see you on the road. So what's going on? We made it to Carlsbad, New Mexico. Thank God, right? By now they're probably already closed, so we're gonna rest there in Planet Fitness. I'll call it a day, and hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. Peace out.